Hello friends, Marouane here again. Let me tell you this, most people trying to make money online fail, not because they're lazy, but because they're doing the wrong business model the wrong way. And today, I'm going to show you a smarter way to make dropshipping and to succeed in dropshipping in 2026 and beyond. And of course, this way is using AI. So even beginners can start doing dropshipping, create store in just hours, not weeks. Let's be honest, if you've already tried dropshipping, you have surely faced one of these problems. You don't know what product to sell, shipping takes forever, suppliers are unreliable, or everything feels too complicated. And that's exactly why most people fail before making their first $1 online. As someone who teaches online businesses, entrepreneurship, e-commerce, and as a CEO of a Shopify agency, I have tried a lot of tools. Some are good, but most are useless. But recently, I came across a platform that actually simplifies the whole process, especially if you're a beginner. That platform is called Teemdrop, and what it does is pretty simple. It handles product sourcing, automates order fulfillment, and connects directly to your store. And how it works, it's very easy. I'm going to show you how it works in 3 easy steps. The first step is finding a product. Teemdrop uses AI to suggest trending products. And also, for example, if you have found a product but you have just the image, you can search by the image. You can just put the image inside and Teemdrop gonna find the suitable product for this image. Once you found the product, now you're gonna move to the next step, which is step 2. You're gonna need to connect your store and you can import all the products in just one click. No hassle, no coding knowledge, nothing. In just one click, you can connect it to your Shopify store, WooCommerce store, Etsy store, or whatever. The 2 first steps are done. Now it's time to start selling. Teemdrop processes orders, ship products, and provide tracking numbers. Now you're going to tell me, but what's the difference with other dropshipping platforms? So let me tell you why it's different. No need to deal with random suppliers. Fast shipping, branding options available for those who want to start a brand after trying a product and found it's a winner. And what's great also with Teemdrop, they have also a section for POD products. Print-on-demand product. For those who don't want to do dropshipping, they want to start print-on-demand business. This is great because I saw on social media some people selling like t-shirts with funny logos or funny slogans on it, mainly in politics or something, and they sell a lot of product with that. So you can use any product you want. They have a lot of product, they have a lot of choices. If you have that skill, you can create custom logo, custom text, slogan, meme, or something funny, and you can sell it. You can run paid ads for it and you can make a lot of money from it. And what I liked also about Teemdrop, they have a custom warehouse packaging for dropshipping. This is so important for people who want to create a brand, increase their profit, and reduce their expenses. Why? Let's say, for example, your main market is United States. Now, instead of shipping directly from China and people gonna pay some hidden fees or some fees related to customs, now they're gonna ship directly from United States to them. First of all, the shipping is gonna be so fast, and second, there is no hidden custom fees for the customers. So it is gonna be a great opportunity for them. And second thing, why Teemdrop masters custom packaging for dropshipping? It's because while competitors force you into bulk orders and manual design loops, Teemdrop neural branding system delivers military-grade customization with 0 minimums. This is not a packaging, this is a robotic customization with infinite scale. And Teemdrop team can do that in less than 10 minutes. But let me tell you this is not a rich quick schema. This is not a money-making machine. You still need a good product, good marketing, consistency, and everything required to succeed online. I have a lot of videos about that on my YouTube channel. You can just check them out. It's gonna help you scale and multiply your business revenue. They have also a quality control department so they can control the product before they got shipped to the customers. And on top of that, they have a 24/7 customer support who can answer your questions, your issues, and help you with anything regarding your business. Listen guys, 2026, now is the time for AI. And a lot of dropshipping suppliers like Teemdrop use AI and other advanced features to help you create your business and make money online. It's the time to do it now, guys. Now you're gonna ask me, but what are the pricing for Teemdrop? Let me tell you this great news. You can start for free. And if you sign up using the link I'm gonna give you in the video description, you can also have coupons and great deals from Teemdrop. You can check it out, you can start for free, and if everything works great, you can contact their customer support. They can make some custom features for you, help you create your brand, sourcing product, finding winning products, and help you during your e-commerce journey. So guys, if you have your laptop, if you have internet, check the link in the video description. You can start for free and use it because you're gonna get some extra coupons. And if you have any question about that, put in the comment below or contact Teemdrop support. They're gonna help you and give you the suitable answer. See you in the next video.